Hey guys, Steve here, and I have a very good deal for you today. If you've ever tried copywriting or writing a sales letter or any type of copywriting for any type of online marketing, you know it's very hard, it's very difficult. So you have a couple of different options. You can outsource it, you can pay a lot of money, a lot of big money to get it done right, or you can learn how to do it yourself. My special deal for you today is I am going to give you free access to an amazing free copywriting video course. And this free copywriting course is going to show you, it's going to teach you how to write copy that gets results. And if you want to be successful with online marketing, if you can learn this skill, you can pretty much write your own paycheck. I mean, it's that important. So all you need to do, click on the link, it's going to take you to this page. And then you're just going to click this big click here to join now button. And then once you click it, just enter some simple information to get access. Once you do that, you're going to be taken directly to the members area. Take advantage of it now, join the course, and I will see you in the members training area.